What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is me, Peter Griffin, the official Peter Griffin from Family Guy. Yes, it's really me. I can't believe it. I can't believe it myself. I'm really here. It's me. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to play the original Doom. Now, first of all, let me just show you something. So on Steam, there exists Doom, this bundle, Doom and Doom 2, right? And these are remasters of the classic Doom game. And let's say you want to play the Doom game. Well, that's going to be, let's try it. Say you want to play the original Doom game. Well, I go here. You can do the DOS version, but it's still going to be the remastered version. So let's see, play Doom and Doom 2. All right, let's send it. Well, when you load in, so Doom and Doom 2 are the only two options you have. So Doom and Doom 2, as you saw, were the only options you have, which leads to the question, how do I play the original Doom? I paid for both games, so I should get the original version, right? Yes, you do, but they don't really tell you that. So what we saw right there was the remastered version, but you want to play the original. Let me show you how. So first, some prerequisites. You're going to need, link in the description, ZDoom or GZDoom now. Click Windows, 64-bit, save, okay, whatever your browser install works. Scroll down here, click Support. This is the ZDL. This is essentially the simplified launcher for this application. We're going to click Hugh Bassier, sorry, Peter Griffin, I can't pronounce that. Of this guy right here, 3.2.2.2, stable zip. Okay, install. So now that you have these two prerequisites, we don't need the browser. We are going to extract them using WinRAR or any zip application. And let's drag them to desktop for convenience. So now, in your Doom copy on Steam, or if you bought it externally, you should have the doom.wad. Now, if you have your doom.wad file already, just hang tight. But if you don't have your doom file.wad, listen closely. So, right-click, Manage, Browse Local Files, click Base, because this is the based version. Allow us. So right here, this is Doom.wad. You might also see in re-release Doom.wad right here. The lowercase version right here indicates it's the remastered. Again, Doom 2, it's the remastered. So you want the capitalized version, which is the original right here. Even if you try Doom EXE, it won't really properly launch, so that's why I'm using ZDL. So, open your ZDL folder, click zdl.exe, click Settings, and as you can see, I already have it pre-configured, but I will remove this just so that you guys can see it for yourself. So it's going to be blank for you, but what you want to do is you want to click Add. Now, this is very, very important. You must do Shift D. You want to capitalize the D in Doom. The name has to be Doom with a capital D. All right, so now that you title it Doom with a capital D, click Browse. And as you can see, it's already redirected here. But if you don't see this, it directs you to like your downloads, something stupid like that, right? What you want to do is you just want to go up here, click this blank space right here. Now, Control A, Control C, copy that over here. And then right here, backspace, Control V, enter, there you go. Click Doom WAD. Okay, click OK. Now on the left side right here, click Add, type lowercase, all lowercase, GZDoom, all lowercase. Click Browse, go to your desktop or wherever you saved it. GZDoom for Windows, and click gzdoom.exe. And then it should be all set to launch, and click Doom and click Launch. I don't know if you can hear me that well in the Doom menu, but what I do want to show you is some very good settings you probably should enable for the best experience. These settings will make the game play a lot smoother, and it'll make it look much better. Let's go. Giggity, giggity. And there you go. Thank you for watching the video. I hope that helps. And allow us. The video's over.